Thank you so much for tuning in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. Today in this video we'll have a look at this. So we do have a Toyota RAV4 Hybrid right there, and we do have Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV, and in this video we talk about 3 reasons why Outlander PHEV is better than Toyota Hybrid. So let's check them out right now and talk about why Mitsubishi is a better product than Toyota. Okay, and let's have a look at what we have here. So we do have the hybrid and plug-in hybrid. So for the longest time, Toyota with their hybrid technology was the most sought after brand, and they had these Camrys, plug-in hybrids, Corollas and RAV4s. Nobody could touch them. People wanted them, and all for the right reasons. But now there is a new sheriff in town, so to speak. It's the plug-in hybrid electric vehicle by Mitsubishi. There's 3 reasons why someone should or could choose Mitsubishi over the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, just the regular hybrid. We're not comparing the Prime here with plug-in hybrids. So number 1 would be, of course, the technology itself, right? So, and we talk about the pricing in a second here. So this one is just a hybrid. You don't have a full EV range, you don't have the battery external charge options, none of that. So this one here operates on full battery. You have the external charger. This is, you know, part electric vehicle, and you can use as part electric vehicle. In Canada, it's rated about 61 kilometers on full EV. There's a lot of people that get more than that, but on the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, you don't get that. So it mixes automatically, you know, driving with hybrid or electric part and engine. So it does it for you. You cannot select what you want. So this one here you can use as electric car, as external charger. That's why people love it. So that would be number 1. So this one is totally different philosophical, you know, approach to a car, what you want to get compared to RAV4. Number 2, and this is a big one as well. This is a 7-seater, this is a 5-seater. So the Outlander PHEV is a little bit longer than the RAV4, and you know what? It's also the interior. It's a little bit better, I think, as well. So we can have a peek right here. Look at size of this panoramic roof. It's huge. It's such a great sunroof, right? And also digital display is much larger and more refined than on this vehicle. And right here, we open it right in the RAV4. We have just a small sunroof. A lot of people point that out on the previous Outlander body style, that they don't like that sunroof is so small. Today's standard is too small. They want the panoramic roof. And also, like, you know, the center console is less digital than on the Outlander. So that will be another thing. So a 7-seater, this is full on 7-seater. This one here is just a 5-seater. So that's another thing why people, you know, like the Outlander PHEV compared to the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. And the third thing is, you know what, we got to talk about money. Of course, PHEVs, plug-in hybrids and electrics are a little bit more money than just the regular gas or hybrids in this case, but they're government rebates, your local incentives. You got to factor that in. This car, MSRP wise, is about you know, 10 grand more than this one here, but this one gets close to 10 grand you know, government rebates. So in a way, that makes them equal price points, almost equal price points. And then if you look at it that way, not just only MSRP, but, you know, the government rebates and everything else which you're getting, this makes Outlander plug-in hybrid much more desirable choice. Of course, again, nothing wrong with Toyota. Really like this vehicle. It's definitely a fine SUV. But if you look at, you know, how much money is going to cost you and what kind of government incentives are, this might sway people over to Outlander. So there we go. We just checked out 2 fantastic cars. One is 2023 RAV4 Hybrid. The other one is 2023 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV, LE trim level, XLE trim level. Both are fantastic choices, but there are 3 reasons why someone could or should choose the Outlander. First of all, electric technology. Second is 7-seater and interior is a bit nicer. And the third one is way more government rebates on this one. Nothing on that, which makes it even more so desirable. So thank you so much for tuning in, and see you in next videos.